Good morning, afternoon, whatever it is for you guys. Welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. It's a couple days before we gotta load up for LS Fest. So there's some changes on the Chevy 2. We got the windows in it, we got the other door on it, but we took the front end off to remake. I had to make some fender mounts on the bottom down there because where the roll cage lands in the front was right where the fender mounts work. So it kind of made myself more work there, but that happens with big crazy race car stuff. But the real reason this video is for, SoccerMom is back on the dyno. See if we fixed our problem or if we shoved the crank out of it. Let's find out. Not going to do quite as many cameras because we're running late, and obviously I have a lot of work to do to get back onto the Chevy 2. But hopefully make 2 or 3 pulls here, see if we fixed our problem, and load this puppy up for LS Fest. Here we go. Alright, well, while you guys are here on the channel, please like and subscribe. Give us a comment, give us a like. I try to get down there in the comments and reply to as many people as I can. And just a refresher for what we've got going on with SoccerMom. She's not turning the RPM that we want her to. So you can see on our dyno chart, something's not happy right there. So we want to see if we have fixed that today. We did some new valve springs, new push rods, and BTR's new shaft rocker system. And now it's time to put it to the test and see what happens. We'll warm the car up, do a little bit of driving, check our straps, send it. Here we go. Alright, so first pull is just going to be 20 pounds of dome pressure, which should be around 22 pounds of boost on this car. It is different for every car, for those of you that were asking me about it in some of the previous videos. The more restrictive the back side is, like the turbo hot side and the turbine side of the turbo, the higher dome pressure you'll have to put on one to make more boost. We used to have to put 50 pounds of dome pressure to make 30 pounds of boost. With the new turbo and the new hot side, it's almost a 1-to-1 ratio, at least at these lower boost numbers. So here we go for a 20 pound of dome pressure pull. See what happens. Didn't fall off. No, it was still going when I lifted, so that's good. right, look at some data. So red was our previous on 20 pounds, or red was our previous on 30 pounds, which was 1,235. That's the important part up top, where it's better than the previous run. No, it was like that on 15 pounds. So it never beat, the pull yesterday fell down to the same as it was like, of course, actually I didn't see what kind of boost that was. Let me get into the data. All right, so some pretty awesome data. Looks like it pulled good, nice and clean to 8,500. So this time, we're gonna turn it up a little more. See if we can get a new dyno record for SoccerMom. Let's hope so.
Okay, so I might have held onto the throttle until 8,700, but she liked it. Yes. Alrighty, here we go. Got one more thing to check. Back to our dyno screen. Here we go.
know if that's in focus or not. 8,634 on that pole. Last run I went past 87. That was 34.8 pounds of boost and 34 to 38 pounds of back pressure. We went and looked at that, and you can see not only does she make a little more power out here where it said see ya, now we're still going there. Yeah, the power is falling off still up top, and maybe we're to the point of that being the intercooler problem, but the dyno shows that we gain power up top, and that's all that really matters to us. Whew, we're excited. Well, boys, we're all in the picture. I think we got us a hot rod.
Absolutely.
Hell yeah. That might have been on camera. I don't see it. I don't know. So 86, 8,700. We've never been able to do that before. It's time to go to LS Fest. Woohoo! We'll see you guys in Kentucky.